Welcome back to Startup Sparks. Today we're diving into the extraordinary journey of Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba. From a struggling teacher to building a global e-commerce empire, Jack's story is all about resilience, vision, and breaking barriers. Let's get started. 1. Jack Ma's humble beginnings. Jack Ma was born in 1964 in Hangzhou, China, during a time of economic hardship. Growing up in a modest household, Jack developed an early love for English, teaching himself the language by offering free tours to tourists. Despite his determination, Jack faced rejection at nearly every turn. He failed his college entrance exams twice and was rejected from over 30 job applications, including one at KFC. But these failures didn't stop him. They fueled his ambition. 2. The birth of Alibaba. In 1995, Jack Ma was introduced to the internet during a trip to the US. He noticed there were almost no Chinese websites online, which sparked an idea. Jack saw an opportunity to connect Chinese businesses to the world through the internet. In 1999, Jack gathered 17 friends in his apartment to pitch his vision for Alibaba, an online marketplace that would empower small and medium-sized businesses to compete globally. With just $60,000 in funding, Alibaba was born. 3. Challenges in Alibaba's early days. The early days of Alibaba were anything but smooth. Jack and his team faced fierce competition from global giants like eBay and Amazon, along with skepticism about e-commerce in China. But Jack's unwavering belief in the potential of small businesses kept him going. He focused on building trust, creating an escrow service to ensure secure transactions between buyers and sellers, a game changer in e-commerce. 4. Alibaba's explosive growth. Alibaba's growth was phenomenal. In 2003, Jack launched Taobao, a consumer-focused platform that quickly outpaced eBay in China. By 2014, Alibaba went public on the New York Stock Exchange, raising a record-breaking $25 billion in its IPO, the largest in history at the time. Today, Alibaba operates across multiple sectors, including cloud computing, logistics, and digital payments, serving millions of customers worldwide. 5. Jack Ma's leadership philosophy. Jack Ma's leadership style is rooted in optimism and empowering others. He often says, customers first, employees second, shareholders third. His focus on people and innovation has been key to Alibaba's success. Jack also emphasizes the importance of resilience, famously stating, "Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine." This mindset helped him and his team overcome countless challenges. 6. Jack Ma's legacy. In 2019, Jack Ma stepped down as Alibaba's chairman to focus on philanthropy, particularly in education and environmental causes. His journey from a small-town teacher to one of the world's most influential entrepreneurs continues to inspire millions. Alibaba is now a cornerstone of global e-commerce, and Jack's vision has empowered countless small businesses to thrive in the digital age. Jack Ma's story is a powerful reminder that success doesn't come easy, but with persistence, vision, and a little creativity, you can achieve the extraordinary. What's your favorite takeaway from Jack Ma's journey? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring stories here on Startup Sparks. Until next time, keep dreaming big and sparking change.